In this video, I am going to share the basic trip cost from India to Serbia to going to Singapore or any other countries. Many people asked me to share the trip cost. Actually, the cost will differ from person to person, their requirements, luxuriousness and so on. I will provide the minimum basic cost for the entire travel based on my own experience. Again, this will be subject to vary from person to person. As you all well know, the flight ticket, hotel rates may vary time to time. So the rates shared in this video is only for your information purpose. So don't consider this as a fixed cost. The actual rate you may need to work out at the time of your travel arrangement. Let's see first flight booking. India to Serbia, I booked with Fly Dubai. It cost me around rupees 51,967. I didn't book via agent, I booked directly via online. So if you book through agent, maybe they will add some additional cost. Serbia to Singapore, I booked with Qatar. It cost me around rupees 56,000. Please note, again flight tickets vary time to time. The next is hotel. For 22 nights, hotel cost vary for the 3-star, 4-star and 5-star. Depends upon your choice. I booked with a 4-star hotel. It cost me around $1,800 with breakfast. For 3-star hotel, approximately will cost around $1,300 with breakfast. I heard this from some of the agents. The next is PCR test. As per Serbia government requirements, we need to do 3 PCR tests on first day, 7th day and departing before our final destination. One PCR test will cost around the local dinar 9,000, which means approximately $95 or rupees 7,220. I consider $1 equal to 95 local dinar and $1 equal to 76 Indian rupees. Again, these exchange rates may vary from time to time. I will provide all the local cost in dinar. You may convert it to the US dollar to the Indian rupees according to the latest exchange rate. The next is the food. Usually the breakfast included in your hotel charges. So only the lunch and dinner we need to eat outside. There are 3 choices to consider. Either you eat from the Indian restaurant or any fast food like pizza or burger or from the local restaurant. Indian restaurant is bit expensive. I ordered a veg biryani in Diwali restaurant. It cost me around dinar 590, which is around $6 or equivalent to rupees 472. But they are charging a high delivery charge which is around 500 dinar. I feel the rice is very limited. At my home, maybe I will eat at least twice of this per meal. KFC bucket meal cost around dinar 1,470, means around $16 or rupees 1,200. I ordered a veg pizza 24 centimeter from a local restaurant. It cost me dinar 560, around $6 or around 450 Indian rupees. It looks cheap and it is a free delivery. There is a delivery app available like Swiggy, Zomato. You can download it. The app name is Glovo. There are some restaurants providing free deliveries. If you order with them, we can save some delivery charges. Unfortunately, no Indian restaurant under this app and their delivery charges are very high. In my hotel, they are offering lunch and dinner at 10 euros per meal, means around 20 euros per day. Please note, we can't eat always a low cost food. So if you consider mixed eating of Indian or fast food or local food, it costs approximately $25 per day. If you are a foodie and will eat a lot, it may cost you even more. But this is a good chance for somebody who wants to lose weight. The next is taxi fare. Actually, taxi, if you book via the local taxi app, the rate is very less. Approximately $10 we can reach city center or in and around covering 5 to 6 kilometer distance. But for airport, it is like a fixed rate. Local dinar 1,800 or around $19 will cost for one way. Long trips I am not calculated. It depends upon where you plan to go. Then SIM card. I bought a SIM card in airport. It cost me around $5 with local calling and data. It is recommended if you plan to use local apps for food ordering, taxi and so on. Next is water. 1.5 liter water bottle, 6 pieces will cost around local dinar 260, means around $2.7 equivalent to rupees 208. So these are things I consider mandatory for the basic living in Serbia for 22 night. Let's put it all together and see how much it cost totally per person. Flights from India to Serbia, as I told before, it's 51,967. Flight Serbia to Singapore around 56,000. 3-star hotel for 22 nights, it will cost approximately $1,300. Means around 1 lakh, 98,800 to 1 lakh. If it is a 4-star hotel, $1,800 plus. 3 PCR test. 1 PCR test will cost 9,000. So for 3 PCR test, it will be around $285 to 21,660. Taxi fare I consider for 3 trips. One is for the second PCR test and another for the third PCR test, and then going back to the airport, approximately around $57 or 4,332 Indian rupees. Lunch plus dinner for 22 days. I am considering average $25. Again, it's subject to how much you will eat and what type you are going to eat. So it will cost around $550 or around 41,800. Water, it's around $13.5 and 1,026 Indian rupees. It's less. SIM card around $5 and 380 rupees. So total it will be cost approximately $3,631 or 2,75,965 Indian rupees. I am considering all this rate based on 1 USD equal to dinar 76 or 1 USD equal to the local dinar 95. All the above rates may vary time to time and view a selection of service. If you have a different currency exchange rate, then this rate will be increased accordingly. You may calculate with the exchange rate what you are getting or what is the latest exchange rate. Exchange rate is very important here. In this calculation, I am not consider any cost for spending leisure time, going to attraction, tickets, hot or cold beverages and other expenses. Also, the cost of the PCR test, stay home notice in Singapore not considered. As you well know, the flight ticket, hotel rates may vary time to time. So the rates shared in this video is only for your information purpose only. Don't consider this as a fixed cost. The actual rate you may need to work out at the time of your travel arrangement. Please always check the latest news and update for any country you travel, because the travel requirements are frequently changing due to COVID-19. This video is not intended to provide any travel advisory, travel plan or travel guidance. Viewers have to make their travel plan at their own risk and own expenses. This channel is not liable for any viewers to make their travel plan. Traveling via third country is very risky and expensive. Please do necessary research before you travel and get updated requirements before you depart. India to Singapore via Serbia. Please subscribe and follow this channel. Thank you.